Hello everyone, this is Ugo from top5revshare.com. That's my website, top5revshare.com. Anyone can use this program to promote multiple streams of income. Right now, so go ahead, get yourself a free copy of this website and earn multiple streams just by sharing your link. Now, this video is about Revs Up Time. This is one of those programs that sits quietly in the background, making money without any hype, without sort of mass hysteria, and sadly without much transparency either, because they don't really tell you how the money is being made. They don't tell you if they're advertising, trading, investing, or what. They just say to you, buy an ad pack, okay, to advertise your business or your program or your opportunity, and we'll pay you. We'll pay you to do that. But they have been going for quite a while. I think it's over a year actually that they've been around, which is good. They do want you to keep around half your earnings towards buying your next ad pack. All right, so you can see here earning 78. It's been split into earning balance and repurchase balance. Okay, commission balance is based on your referrals. I've got a few referrals there. I've earned some commission from that. Okay, so you can't withdraw your full ad pack earnings like you can in some programs, but they retain some money which you can use to buy your next ad pack. So in some ways that contributes towards longevity of the program and stability, which is fair enough, I suppose. But moving on, you need to click 10 ads a day. If you buy the start, iron, chrome, or copper or bronze, you've got to click 10 ads a day to earn. I've got 2 starter packs, 1 iron pack. I haven't bought any of these. I skipped all that and went straight in and bought a trade pack for how much was it? 200. Why? Because there's no surfing required. Okay, I still have to log in every day and click my 10 ads so that I can earn on these 3 packs. Once they've expired, I won't need to click anymore. I will just keep earning passively from the trade pack, and I'll focus, I think, on just buying trade packs. At the end of the day, clicking 10 ads isn't taxing. It's not difficult. It doesn't take 10 minutes, and it's fine. So I'm not knocking it. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Just an option. So far so good. Everything is stable. I haven't withdrawn yet. I'll look at payment history. Haven't withdrawn yet. I tend to hang on for a while before withdrawing. So $200 pack, $2 pack, $10 pack, and this plus this so far, earn this plus this so far, earn this plus this so far. Yep, started December, so January, February, March. So around about March, I may well start to withdraw. Okay, don't want to leave your money too long in these programs because you can't predict the future. So if things go south, if things go bad, if the program fails, it would be nice if you had done some withdrawals and gotten back some of your investments. Can I say investments? Some of your earnings before the problem started. But I don't foresee any immediate problems. There've been no issues, and and I will leave my link in the description, or just go to Top 5 Rev Share, and you can join my other programs as well. I'll see you in my next video.